Welcome to my channel, Digital Dynamics.
35 Best Ways to Make Money Online in 2023. This video compiles 35 online money-making ideas in 2023. We have categorized the ideas into two lists consisting of 10 methods to make quick cash and 25 strategies for long-term earnings. How to make money online video tutorial. Discover 7 easy ways to make money online. Top 10 quick ways for making money online. Complete online surveys. Make extra cash by sharing your opinions on popular survey sites. Let's take a closer look at these online money-making ideas and discuss tips to make your business successful. 1. Complete online surveys. For these reasons, surveys are not a viable long-term way to make money online. Swagbucks. Watch videos, play games, and complete online surveys to earn points. Then redeem them for cash or gift cards. 2. Test games and apps. In 2021, the video game industry was worth $178.73 billion, a 14.4% increase from 2020. Video games also hold the largest share of the global digital media market. 3. Test websites and give feedback. Here are a few other marketplaces where people can make money online via website testing projects. Uber Testers, a crowdsourced testing service focusing on websites, mobile apps, and games. 4. Try mystery shopping. Retailers and market research companies hire mystery shoppers to shop at specific locations and report on the overall consumer experience. For each job completed, you can get reimbursed for the items you purchased, receive vouchers and gift cards, or earn between $10 and $25 on average. 5. Sell second-hand items. The market value of the second-hand clothing industry is projected to reach $77 billion by 2026. Some of the best online selling sites for used items are eBay, Gadget Salvation, Swap.com, Reverb, and Fatlama. 6. Sell school notes. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest ways for students to make money fast. The safest bet is to sell notes containing general but insightful information about a subject, such as modules, flashcards, and study guides. 7. Do voiceover work. How much you earn from voiceover projects depends on your experience, the project's type, and the script's length. The average salary of voiceover artists in the United States is around $30/hour. 8. Sell art and designs. Selling on social media is a good way to make money fast, especially if you promote your art on specific networks. If you choose a marketplace like ArtStation, earning up to 95% from sales is possible. 95%. 9. Sell stock photos and footage. Method stats. Setup time, a few days to a few months, depending on how much time you spend taking the photos, and footage time of payment, every month or according to the chosen payment, differs across websites. E-commerce. 35 best ways to make money online in 2023. From taking online surveys to starting an online store, there are numerous ways to make money online. Most only require a computer or mobile device and a solid internet connection. In addition to requiring little to no startup cost, these money-making methods also let you work independently from the comfort of your home. With all of those benefits and the growth of e-commerce due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it's no wonder that more people are looking to find ways of earning money online. This article compiles 35 online money-making ideas in 2023. We have categorized the ideas into 2 lists consisting of 10 methods to make quick cash and 25 strategies for long-term earnings. Hopefully, this video can help you learn how to make money online. How to make money online video tutorial. Top 10 quick ways for making money online. 1. Complete online surveys. 2. Test games and apps. 3. Test websites and give feedback. 4. Try mystery shopping. 5. Sell second-hand items. 6. Sell school notes. 7. Do voiceover work. 8. Sell art and designs. 9. Sell stock photos and footage. 10. Carry out micro jobs. Top 25 long-term strategies on how to make money online. 1. Become a virtual assistant. 2. Apply for freelance jobs. 3. Invest in stocks. 4.